Bullish torrential slide cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $63.92 and $120.74 by 2030. Market experts accept AVAX could reach $49.71 by 2025. Bearish torrential slide market cost expectation for 2023 is $11.36. Torrential slide presentation. Torrential slide was made to resolve the issues of adaptability and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of a handful of the blockchain stages that takes into consideration genuinely decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a suitable contender to Ethereum. Torrential slide was established by 3 Ph.D. moves on from Cornell College. The torrential slide convention depends on research directed by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma. The issue of how to all the while accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is a layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for disseminated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals tries to expel Ethereum as the most generally utilized blockchain for shrewd agreement, while keeping up with versatility. It plans to do this by having a huge torrential slide current value. Torrential slide is right now worth $14.20 USD. AVAX has moved 1.00% as of now with an exchanging volume of $106,489,578. Torrential slide is presently positioned 16 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $4,886,438,159 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for torrential slide to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous torrential slide market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. Torrential slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The AVAX cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $21.31. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $19.89 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. AVAX is supposed to have a base worth of $17.05. Torrential slide value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Torrential slide AVAX cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of a VAX will before long outperform $35.51. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the AVAX's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, AVAX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $28.41 and a typical exchanging cost of $31.25. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $49.71 and AVAX might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. AVAX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $45.45 and a low of $42.61 in 2025. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. On the off chance that torrential slide effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the AVAX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, AVAX will be green in 2026. The AVAX is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $63.92, with a base cost of $56.82 and a typical cost of $59.66. Torrential slide value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the AVAX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $73.86 by 2027, with a base cost of $71.02 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, AVAX has a greatest value worth of $78.12. Torrential slide value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $88.07. In the event that a VAX figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $92.33. Neglecting to accumulate the help AVAX needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $85.23. Torrential slide value forecast 2029. While AVAX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $99.43 and a yearly cost close above $106.53 in 2029. Torrential slide value forecast 2030. By 2030, torrential slide will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $113.63 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $120.74, averaging out at $116.47. Torrential slide value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest AVAX cost in 2031 is projected to be $139.20 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $133.52. And by and large, torrential slide appears to be an exceptionally encouraging venture with a ton of possibilities. On the off chance that you're hoping to put resources into DeFi or digital currencies, as a general rule, AVAX could be a decent choice for you. What is the torrential slide cost today? Today, torrential slide is exchanging at $14.20 with a complete market capitalization of $4,886,438,159. Is torrential slide a wise venture? Torrential slide ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that a VAX is a decent decision of speculation. How high can torrential slide go? The typical cost of torrential slide might perhaps reach $19.89 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that torrential slide might outperform $92.33. What amount will torrential slide be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising notoriety of cryptographic money and torrential slide, a drawn-out interest in AVAX could see the value ascend to $92.33 inside the following 5 years. What amount will torrential slide be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into torrential slide today, similarly as with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of a VAX might actually ascend to $180.39 inside the following 10 years. What will the torrential slide cost be in 2024? Torrential slide cost is supposed to reach $35.51 by 2024. What will the torrential slide cost be in 2025? Torrential slide cost is supposed to reach $49.71 by 2025. What will the torrential slide cost be in 2026? Torrential slide cost is supposed to reach $63.92 by 2026. What will